Hey my friend, this is the famous pepper stick rice from Pepper Lunch. You can make it at home in just 15 minutes. High protein and super easy. Use any steak you like. I'm using sirloin. Cut the steak into strips. Then season with salt, black pepper, and a little olive oil. Dice the onion. Slice the green onions. If you don't like onions, just skip them. We'll also need some corn. Now let's make the sauce, our flavor base. Ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, oyster, and water. Mix everything really well. Heat a pan over medium heat and add some olive oil. Once hot, sauté the onion and scallion whites until soft. Just like Pepper Lunch, pack your rice into a bowl and flip it into the center of the pan. You can also use pasta or any crab you like. Place the steak and corn around the rice. Add the small pieces of butter on top. Sprinkle lots of black pepper. And pour in the sauce. Mix everything together. And cook beef to your preferred doneness. For an upgraded version, sprinkle some shredded cheese around the pan. Cover and let it heat for 2 minutes. Finish with scallion greens before serving. Thanks for cooking with me. If you love quick, high-protein meals, hit like and subscribe. And check out my high-protein healthy meals playlist. See you next time.